Hi guys and welcome! Today I'm gonna show you a couple of variations of Bossa Nova picking pattern I used in my last two play-along videos, Quiet Nights with Quiet Stars and The Girl from Ipanema. Before watching this video, you should learn the basic Bossa Nova strumming pattern. I made a video about this, you can find the link on the description below. This is the first variation. Put your ring finger on the first string, your middle on the second, your index on the third string, and pick the strings together like this. And then, with your thumb, pick the fourth string like this. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second variation. It's not so different from the first. Put your index finger on the first string, the middle finger on the second string, the index finger on the third strings, and pick all the strings together like this. Now, with your thumb and your index finger, pick the fourth string and the third string like this. Thanks for watching this video, hope it helps. And for the people who don't know me yet, my name is Paola, I'm Italian, and my first ukulele tutorials were in Italian language, but the most people who follow me speak English, so I decided to make some video tutorials in English language. So be good to me, be patient, because I know my English is not perfect, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you next time.